Let's go guys, we're selling again for the eco bag for today's videos. Look at that girl pushing cart guys. Later I'm pushing that. Let's go guys, let's go. The selling eco bag. Gia! Gia! These things I'm going to put in the another store with my boss. Look at the views. Look at that dog guys. Okay, with these things, putting the another store, the stock room. Look at Jollibee over there. Look at a lot of tricycles. Nah, very cute dog. Look at that dog. Oh. It's a chili. Hot chili. This is the store of my boss, second store. A lot of stuff here, like notebooks. Let's buy notebooks and also the roof. This is my workmate guys, very beautiful. And selling this, look at the stuff, a lot of stuff. Oh, cotton bands, umbrella, and eco bag, and also ball pin, crayons, and paper. Nah, let's go na. Lun, unsa man na? Panglapay wala nimo. Oh, na let's go na ay. Ato na na atod. Arel ba may mga ano mong sinsiyo, Kem? Asa man tag sinsiyo?